Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing my thoughts on Devin, the first software engineer developed by Cognition AI last week. And I will state 3 reasons why this tool won't replace software engineers anytime soon. The announcement took the world by storm, and many software engineers and computer scientists that I talk to are really worried about their jobs. So what's Devin? So Devin is an autonomous AI agent that can take on freelancing jobs on Upwork. It can generate and debug code and even deploy applications end to end. So let me walk you through this piece of news first. So Devin, AI software engineer that codes entire projects from a single prompt. So here you can see kind of few points at a glance. So the AI startup Cognition develops an AI software engineering platform that can automate entire projects end to end. Devin has impressed a lot of kind of key players in the AI world, such as the former Tesla AI director, Andrej Karpathy. The Cognition AI has also been funded by Peter Thiel, and I believe it has raised around $21 million. It's only been around for a few months only. So if you scroll down here, you will see a lot of additional news as well. So additional information, and I'm going to show you as well the demo right after that. So Cognition has been marketed not as a replacement to software engineers, but basically a teammate. It's kind of an additional software engineer that you can rely on for your job. Devin can report its progress in real time and works with human engineers as well. And Scott Wu from Cognition basically mentioned that with Devin, engineers can focus on more interesting problems and engineering teams can strive for more ambitious goals. And if you scroll down as well, you can see the performance of Devin compared to other AI large language models such as GPT-4, for example. And you can see that Devin correctly resolved around 13.86 of issues end to end, outperforming specialized models and even OpenAI's GPT-4 and Claude 2 as well. And you can see kind of the performance here. Devin is much better compared to GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 as well. So the question is, how can we access Devin? Well, it's not released to the public yet. I actually signed up for it. I'm just waiting for feedback from Cognition AI. And what is Cognition AI? Well, it's a startup that kind of blew up overnight. The announcement was posted on X or Twitter and has amassed 24 million views and counting in just a few days. The startup was founded in November of 2023 and has secured around $21 million in funding. And let me actually go ahead and show you the demo. So here's a demo. Let's go ahead and play it together.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple of different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds a whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor, and even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that it can read up and learn how to plug into each of these APIs. Here, Devin runs into an unexpected error. Devin actually decides to add a debugging print statement. Reruns the code with the debugging print statement, and then uses the error in the logs to figure out how to fix the bug. Finally, Devin decides to build and deploy a website with full styling as the visualization. You can see the website here. All of this is possible today because of the advancements that we've made in both reasoning and long-term planning. It's a really hard problem, and we've only just started, but we're super excited about the progress that we've made so far. In the meantime, if you'd like to try out Devin on your own real-world tasks, send us a request below, and we'd be happy to forward it to Devin.
Well, it's definitely an incredible tool, and let me share with you why this tool won't replace software engineers anytime soon. So first, we need to differentiate between hype and reality. AI is not a hype. I've been working in this field for over 12 years now, and I can confirm that. It's the greatest technology that humanity has ever created. But these amazing AI tools can work really well in a specific conditions. They have a ton of challenges when they are deployed at scale in practice. Startups usually showcase their best demos to attract investors. For example, autonomous car demos have been around since 2016. 8 years later, what happened? Well, we don't have autonomous cars deployed at scale. And the reason is because the technology is incredible. It works really well in specific geofenced locations, but then it doesn't work otherwise. Reason number 2, it's impossible for a responsible organization to hand over its code deployment to an AI. Human engineers will still be required to review the code before deployment. Also, AI hallucination is real. AI can sometimes provide impressive results and sound super confident, but the output is totally wrong or irrelevant. Human judgment remains unmatched. Even Elon Musk mentioned that humans are underrated after his robots slow down Model 3 production. Third, software development is more than just debugging and writing code. It's about understanding client needs, dealing with complex problems, and many other skills that AI has yet to master. So if you are studying computer science right now, here is my advice to you. First, please don't panic. Second, embrace AI. Learn these tools to be able to 10x your productivity. Third, software engineering is not just about writing and debugging code. It's about understanding client needs, handling complex problems, and a host of other skills that AI is yet to master. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in future videos.